Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through downloading, installing, and logging into the Etsy Seller app on your iPhone. This app is essential for managing your Etsy shop from anywhere, allowing you to handle listings, orders, and customer interactions with ease. Let's get started. First, open the Apple App Store on your iPhone. In the search bar, type Etsy Seller. Look for the official Etsy Seller app, which should have the Etsy logo. Tap the Get button to begin the download. The app size is typically between 150 to 200 megabytes, so the download time will depend on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the Etsy Seller app will automatically install on your iPhone. You'll see the Etsy Seller app icon appear on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. Ensure your iPhone is running iOS 13 or later for optimal compatibility. When you open the Etsy Seller app, you'll be prompted to log in. Use your existing Etsy Seller account credentials, either your email and password or your linked Google or Apple ID. If you don't have an account, you can create one directly through the app, but this video assumes you already have a seller account set up. For enhanced security, Etsy requires two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. What is two-factor authentication? It's a security process that requires not only your password, but also something you have, like your phone. Etsy uses this to protect your seller account. One method is SMS verification. You'll receive a text message with a code to enter during login. This ensures only you can access your account. Alternatively, you can use an authenticator app. Apps like Microsoft Authenticator generate temporary codes that change every 30 seconds. This is often considered more secure than SMS. Remember to follow the on-screen instructions during setup. Two-factor authentication helps protect your shop and your customers' information from unauthorized access. After logging in, the Etsy Seller app will automatically sync your shop data. This process connects your existing Etsy shop information, including listings, orders, and analytics, to the mobile app for seamless management on the go. Next, you'll be prompted to grant camera access. This permission allows you to take photos directly in the app for creating new listings or updating existing product images, making it easier to manage your shop's visual content. The app may request location access to provide shipping optimizations based on your current position and to show relevant market trends for your area. This helps improve delivery estimates and sales strategies. Storage permission enables the app to save drafts offline and access photos from your device's gallery. This ensures you can work on listings even without an internet connection and upload images seamlessly. Granting these permissions will significantly enhance your app experience by enabling faster photo uploads, accurate shipping calculations, and offline capabilities. Once setup is complete, you'll have access to the main dashboard where you can view key analytics like sales metrics, order trends, and shop performance data. Start managing your shop with listing creation, where you can upload photos and add tags to showcase your unique items. Handle orders efficiently with order management, including tracking shipments to keep buyers informed. Communicate directly with buyers through the messaging feature to answer questions and provide updates. Navigate effortlessly with swipe gestures and use voice commands in dark mode for better accessibility and battery life. If you encounter any login issues, use the app's help section or the Etsy support forum. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Remember to keep your app updated to the latest version for the best performance and security. Congratulations, you're now ready to manage your Etsy shop on the go.